I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Acorn Grand mobile. First, gather your materials, including about 20 to 30 clean acorns with their caps still attached. You will also need a sturdy branch, roughly 12 to 18 inches long, along with strong string, a small drill bit, and some craft glue. These items form the foundation for your beautiful natural mobile. Now let's prepare your natural elements. Carefully drill a small hole through the top of each acorn cap. This hole will be used to thread your string. Next, clean your chosen branch thoroughly, removing any loose bark or dirt. Finally, cut several pieces of strong string to varying lengths, ranging from about 6 to 15 inches to create visual interest. With your acorns and strings ready, it's time for assembly. Thread one piece of string through each acorn cap, then tie a secure knot to hold the acorn in place. For added durability, apply a small dot of craft glue to each knot. Now, carefully tie these acorn strings to your branch, ensuring they are spaced evenly for a balanced and appealing look. To complete your mobile, attach a longer piece of string to each end of the branch. This will be your main hanger. Take a moment to adjust the lengths and positions of your acorns, ensuring they hang beautifully and create a visually balanced display. Your unique acorn mobile is now ready to adorn your space. And for an effortless clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.